So hi everyone, my name is Michael Still, and we're going to be looking at sprint problem number 27 from our April 2025 elementary test. So let's get started. What is the sum of all of the positive divisors of 2025? So for any positive whole number, if we want to find the sum of the positive divisors, we could list out all of the positive divisors. Now, kind of a spoiler, I'll say that 2025 has, 15 positive divisors. So figuring out what those 15 numbers are and making sure that they're all right and not missing any or getting any off, and then adding all 15 of those numbers together without a calculator seems kind of gross. And it is, right? It's not the best way to do this. When we want to find the sum of all of the positive divisors, or the number of positive divisors of any given positive whole number, the best way to do it is to use that number's prime factorization. Now, those of you who do number sense or pay attention to fun number properties or just seen it around will recall that 2025 is equal to 45 squared. And 45 is equal to 9 times 5, or 3 squared times 5. And squaring that means that we get 3 to the 4th times 5 squared. So that means that the sum of all, the prime factorization of 2025 is 3 to the 4th times 5 squared. Now, maybe saying, how in the world am I supposed to figure out the sum of all of the positive divisors from that? Well, this prime factorization tells us that every positive divisor of 2025, right, is either 3 to the 0, 3 to the 1, 3 to the 2, 3 cubed, or 3 to the 4, multiplied by 1 of 5 to the 0, 5 to the 1, or 5 squared. So we can find the sum by saying, well, for 3 to the 0, right, we can multiply that by 5 to the 0, 5 to the 1, or 5 squared. So to sum them all up, we can just multiply 3 to the 0 by the sum of them. Well, for 3 to the 1, we can do the same thing, right? We can have 3 to the 1 times 5 to the 0, or 3 to the 1 times 5 to the first, or 3 to the 1 times the 5 squared. And in fact, we can continue to apply this pattern to all of the different powers of 3, because what we're really doing is we're just trying to figure out the sum of all possible products of one of these powers of 3 and one of these powers of 5. And if you distribute out this product right here, that's what you will get. Now, this is a lot easier to calculate, though, because we can just say 3 to the 4th plus 3 cubed plus 3 squared plus 3 to the 1st plus 3 to the 0. That's 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 27 plus 81 times 5 to the 0 plus 5 to the 1st plus 5 to the 2nd is 1 plus 5 plus 25. And that gives us 121 times 31, which is equal to 3,751. And that is answer choice E.
This is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do: like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.